Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Have you ever wondered how to warranty a tool that you bought online that has a lifetime guarantee? Now, I was using these little 6-inch diagonal pliers from Irwin the other day and I broke the tip off. I think I was just trying to bend something on a brake shoe, like one of those little horseshoe clips, and this snapped off. These tend to dig in really well to those little soft metal clips and bend them around, but in this case, this one ended up breaking off the tip. And so I was just kind of wondering, you know, a lot of hand tools do have a lifetime warranty and these are no exception. These Irwin Vise-Grip brand, now they're bought out by Stanley Black & Decker, but they do still have a lifetime warranty. The warranty on the website says, each Irwin hand tool is warranted to be free from defects in material and workmanship for the life of the tool under normal wear and tear, except for damage caused by misuse or alteration. Return the tool to the place of purchase for replacement if warranty applies. This warranty gives you specific legal rights which vary from state to state. So how do you return a tool to Amazon, especially if it's past the 90-day or whatever return window? Now, the cost to ship this back would probably be more than the cost of the tool, or pretty close to it. This was, I think, around 10 bucks when I bought it. So I just went to irwintools.com and I clicked on Contact Us, and they have you fill out a little form with your information, your name, and your email address. There's also a place to upload a picture, which I did. I uploaded a picture of the broken tip here, and just a quick little explanation. I just said, hey, I bought these on Amazon, and the tip broke. Is this covered under your lifetime warranty? If so, what's the process? First, they're going to email you back and say, we received your inquiry, and you have to verify your email address. And they reached out to me the very next day and said they want to apologize for the inconvenience that you're experiencing with your pliers, and they're happy to assist me. And then all they wanted was an updated shipping address and a photo of the receipt where it shows the date of purchase. So I just replied to that email with my address, contact info, and I just took a little screenshot of the Amazon invoice. That's all that they needed. I just did it with my phone and replied to that email, and then they replied and said, thanks for the information. They placed a replacement order, allow up to 2 weeks for it to arrive, and then less than 2 weeks later, this showed up in the mail. Pretty awesome. Very impressed with the service, and good company, good customer support. Just wanted to give them a quick little shout out for their warranty process. Even buying it online, not a problem at all. When a company stands behind their product with a lifetime warranty, it's just really good to know that they will follow through. So I got my replacements in the mail. I'm a happy customer. I gotta tell you, good product. You know, I'm sure this was just kind of a fluke that this broke, but you know, I don't think I was really abusing or misusing. I just explained what I was doing, and you know, just happens. But very happy with this replacement, and just happy with that service, the overall customer service. My experience was very good, and I just wanted to share that and pass that along. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but you can see I do have several other Irwin Vise-Grip tools, and I'm happy with the brand. I like this product. More importantly, this video is just about the lifetime warranty and how to get your tool warranted when you buy it online. No problems at all. Very happy that I picked this up. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.